Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's episode, we are diving into the fascinating world of medicinal chemistry, where we will be introducing you to the fundamental concept of multidisciplinary field. So let's get started. Medicinal chemistry is an exciting field that brings together chemistry, biology, and pharmacology to develop pharmaceutical drugs that are safe and effective for treating various diseases and improving human health. It plays a crucial role in discovery, design, and optimization of life saving medications. In this introductory course, we will cover some key concepts that form the foundation of medicinal chemistry. These concepts include drug targets, pharmacodynamics, pharmacokinetics, structure activity relationship, drug design and optimization, ADME properties, drug metabolism and toxicity. Sounds like mouthful, right? Don't worry, we will break it down for you. Drug targets are specific molecules such as proteins or enzymes within our body that play a crucial role in disease process. Understanding these targets allows medicinal chemists to develop drugs that interact with them in a desired way, either by inhibiting or activating their functions. Pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics are two important aspects of medicinal chemistry. Pharmacodynamics deals with how drugs exert their effects on the body, while pharmacokinetics focuses on how drugs are absorbed, distributed, metabolized, and eliminated within the body. Structure activity relationship or SAR is a key concept in drug discovery. It involves studying in relationship between the chemical structure of a drug molecule and its biological activity. By understanding SAR, medicinal chemists can modify and optimize drug compounds to enhance their effectiveness and reduce side effects. Drug design and optimization is the process of creating new drug molecules or modifying existing ones to improve their potency, selectivity, and safety. It's like a puzzle where medicinal chemists strategically manipulate the chemical structure of a drug candidate to achieve the desired therapeutic effect. Another important aspect of medicinal chemistry is studying the ADME properties of drugs. ADME stands for absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. Understanding how a drug is absorbed into the body, how it travels through different tissues, how it is metabolized by enzymes, and how it is eliminated from the body is crucial for ensuring its efficacy and safety. Of course, drug metabolism and toxicity are also a significant consideration in medicinal chemistry. Metabolism refers to the chemical reactions that occurs in the body to break down drugs, while toxicity deals with the potential harmful effects a drug may have on the body. Medicinal chemists work to design drugs with favorable metabolic profiles and minimal toxicity. Throughout this course, we will provide real life examples and discuss current trends in medicinal chemistry. This will help you understand how these concepts are applied in the development of actual drugs that you may encounter in your daily lives. Whether you are a student exploring the field of medicinal chemistry or simply curious about how drugs are developed, this course will provide you valuable insights into this exciting world. So, join us on this journey to unlock the secrets of discovering and designing life saving drugs.